When it comes to tackling bacterial infections, finding an effective treatment is vital. That's where amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium step in as a dynamic duo. This powerful combination works together to deliver impressive results, targeting a wide range of bacterial strains. How does amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium work? Amoxicillin, a member of the penicillin family, is a well-known and widely used antibiotic that combats bacterial infections by inhibiting their growth. It does this by interfering with the synthesis of the bacterial cell wall, leading to the weakening and eventual death of the bacteria. However, some bacteria have developed resistance to amoxicillin, which can limit its effectiveness. That's where clavulanate potassium comes into play. Clavulanate potassium is a beta-lactamase inhibitor, which means it prevents certain enzymes produced by bacteria, called beta-lactamases, from breaking down amoxicillin. Beta-lactamases are responsible for degrading and inactivating antibiotics like amoxicillin, rendering them ineffective against resistant bacteria. By inhibiting these enzymes, clavulanate potassium allows amoxicillin to remain effective against a broader spectrum of bacteria, including those that have developed resistance. The combination of amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium creates a synergistic effect, enhancing the overall antibacterial activity. This dual-action mechanism makes amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium an excellent choice for treating bacterial infections that may be caused by both susceptible and resistant bacteria. Common bacterial infections treated with amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are widely used to treat a variety of bacterial infections. This dual-action antibiotic is effective against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, making it suitable for a wide range of infections. Some of the common bacterial infections that can be treated with amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium include respiratory tract infections. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are commonly prescribed for respiratory tract infections such as sinusitis, bronchitis, and pneumonia. These infections can be caused by both susceptible and resistant bacteria, making the dual-action antibiotic an ideal choice. Skin and soft tissue infections. Bacterial skin infections, such as cellulitis and impetigo, can be effectively treated with amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. The combination antibiotic helps eliminate the bacteria responsible for these infections and promotes healing. Urinary tract infections. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are also used to treat urinary tract infections caused by susceptible bacteria. The dual-action antibiotic helps relieve symptoms and clear the infection, preventing it from spreading to the kidneys. It's important to note that the specific dosage and duration of treatment may vary depending on the severity and type of infection. Always consult your healthcare provider for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment plan. Benefits and advantages of using amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. Using amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium as a dual-action antibiotic provides several benefits and advantages compared to other antibiotics. Some of these include broader spectrum of activity. The combination of amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium allows for a broader spectrum of antibacterial activity. This means that it can target a wider range of bacteria, including those that have developed resistance to other antibiotics. Enhanced effectiveness against resistant bacteria. The presence of clavulanate potassium helps prevent the inactivation of amoxicillin by beta-lactamases, enzymes produced by bacteria. This enhances the effectiveness of amoxicillin against resistant bacteria, ensuring a higher success rate in treating infections caused by these strains. Convenience of a single medication. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are available in a single tablet or suspension, making it more convenient for patients to take their medication as prescribed. This eliminates the need for multiple medications or additional prescriptions. Well-established safety profile. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium have been extensively studied and have a well-established safety profile. When taken as directed by a healthcare professional, the risk of serious adverse effects is generally low. Cost-effective option. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are often available as generic medications, making them a cost-effective choice for patients who may not have access to more expensive antibiotics. It's important to note that while amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium have many advantages, they may not be suitable for everyone. Always consult with your healthcare provider to determine the most appropriate treatment for your specific condition. Dosage and administration guidelines for amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. The dosage and administration guidelines for amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium may vary depending on the specific infection being treated and the patient's age, weight, and overall health. It's essential to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider and to complete the full course of treatment, even if you start feeling better. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are available in different strengths, and the dosage will be determined based on the severity of the infection and the individual patient's needs. It is typically taken orally, either as a tablet or suspension, and can be taken with or without food. However, taking it with food can help reduce stomach upset. It's crucial to take the medication at evenly spaced intervals to maintain a consistent level of the drug in the body. Skipping doses or stopping treatment prematurely can lead to the development of resistance and may result in the infection not being fully cleared. If you have any questions or concerns about the dosage or administration of amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for clarification. Potential side effects and precautions of amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. Like any medication, amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium can cause side effects, although not everyone experiences them. Common side effects may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach upset. These side effects are usually mild and go away on their own as the body adjusts to the medication. In rare cases, more severe side effects may occur, such as severe allergic reactions or liver problems. If you experience any unusual or persistent symptoms while taking amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium, it's important to seek medical attention immediately. It's also important to inform your healthcare provider of any allergies or previous adverse reactions to antibiotics or other medications. This will help them determine if amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are safe for you to take. Additionally, let your healthcare provider know about any other medications or supplements you are currently taking to avoid potential drug interactions. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should also consult their healthcare provider before taking amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium to ensure the medication is safe for both mother and baby. Drug interactions with amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium may interact with other medications, which can affect their effectiveness or increase the risk of side effects. It's important to inform your healthcare provider about all medications, including over-the-counter drugs, supplements, and herbal remedies you are taking. Some medications that may interact with amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium include probenecid. This medication can increase the concentration of amoxicillin in the blood, potentially leading to an increased risk of side effects. Methotrexate. Concurrent use of amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium with methotrexate may increase the toxicity of methotrexate. Oral contraceptives. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium may reduce the effectiveness of oral contraceptives. Additional or alternative contraceptive methods may be necessary. Your healthcare provider will be able to assess any potential drug interactions and adjust your treatment plan accordingly to ensure your safety and the effectiveness of the medication. Frequently asked questions about amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. Can I drink alcohol while taking amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium? It is generally recommended to avoid consuming alcohol while taking antibiotics, including amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. Alcohol can interfere with the effectiveness of the medication and may increase the risk of side effects. Can amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium be used to treat viral infections? No, amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are only effective against bacterial infections. They do not have any activity against viruses and should not be used to treat viral infections such as the common cold or flu. How long does it take for amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium to start working? The onset of action for amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium can vary depending on the specific infection being treated. However, most people start experiencing relief from symptoms within a few days of starting treatment. It's important to continue taking the medication for the full prescribed duration to ensure the infection is completely cleared. Can I take amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium if I have a penicillin allergy? If you have a known allergy to penicillin, it's important to inform your healthcare provider before taking amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. While cross-reactivity between the two is possible, it is not always the case. Your healthcare provider will be able to assess your allergy history and determine if amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium are safe for you to take. Conclusion: the effectiveness of amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium in treating bacterial infections. Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium have proven to be a highly effective dual-action antibiotic in the treatment of bacterial infections. The combination of amoxicillin's ability to inhibit bacterial growth and clavulanate potassium's ability to prevent the inactivation of amoxicillin by resistant bacteria make it a powerful weapon against a wide range of infections. From respiratory tract infections to skin and soft tissue infections, Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium have become a trusted choice for healthcare professionals worldwide. The broad spectrum of antibacterial activity, enhanced effectiveness against resistant bacteria, convenience of a single medication, and cost-effectiveness are some of the advantages that make this combination antibiotic a popular choice. However, it's important to remember that amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium may not be suitable for everyone. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine if this medication is the right choice for your specific condition. By following the prescribed dosage and administration guidelines, being aware of potential side effects and drug interactions, and completing the full course of treatment, you can maximize the effectiveness of amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium in combating bacterial infections. Thanks for watching.